Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Cash App account to your YouTube channel. While YouTube does not allow direct Cash App integration for monetization, you can add your Cash App link to your channel banner so viewers can support you. First, open YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio to access your dashboard. Once inside, click on Customization in the left menu. In the Customization section, go to the Branding tab and scroll down to Links. Click on Add Link to enter your Cash App information. In the URL field, type your Cash App link, which usually looks like the one showing on screen. Replace your cash tag with your actual Cash App username. Next, enter the display text for the link. You can write something like Donate via Cash App. Then click Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. The link will now appear on your channel banner. You can also mention this link in your video descriptions or pinned comments to make it easier for viewers to find. Always remind your audience to use the link you provide and not share personal banking information. That is all you need to do to link your Cash App to your YouTube channel. Viewers will now be able to support you directly through Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.